Hi, I'm Simon from QiTech Industries, and today I'm proud to present you the Unser Pro Winder. To make great 3D printing filament, you need a consistent pulling mechanism and the right amount of tension to spool the filament neatly. The Unser Winder combines pulling and spooling in one machine. It is fully integrated in our Unser Pro line. This means it receives feedback from the laser DRE and adjusts pulling speed when the filament goes out of spec. Today I will give you a step-by-step instruction how you can produce your first spool of filament. You can control the Unser Winder from our desktop app. Simply connect the winder with the USB cable to your PC and it will appear in the machine overview. Now select the winder to get an overview of all the controls. Before you start winding, you have to mount the spool. We made the Pro Winder modular so it can work with any kind of spool and designed it to hold up to 5 kg. First, start by calibrating the winder by using the slider. Simply adjust the left and right limits to the sides of your spool. The filament guide will give you a visualization of the position by using the integrated laser. To start the pulling process, first adjust the pulling speed using the slider. Once you have set the right meters per minute, just hit pull. Pull back the tension arm and thread the filament through the filament guider into the spool. Then push the tension arm onto the filament thread and the spool will start rotating immediately. Using the tension arm, the winder constantly monitors the load on the filament and adjusts the spool speed accordingly. By adding or removing weights to the tension arm, you can also adjust the load that is put onto the filament. The entire software runs on our custom PCB. A special feature of our winder is that you can activate sync to DRE. It does this by using the values delivered from the Jahre's laser DRE. The Unser Pro Winder can either be purchased on our modular table system or as a standalone machine. The winder can also be useful for you if you're not producing filament but you want to rewind it. We added a feature to the software that stops the winding process after a fixed amount of meters. To find detailed information about the Unser Winder, you can download the datasheet on our website. If you're interested in the Unser Pro Winder, feel free to reach out and contact us via phone or email. You can download a price list of all our machines on our website. If you like to stay up to date on our progress and enjoy behind the scenes videos, check out our social media.